let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog. We are continuing our lesson on the Tagalog enclitic particles that are monosyllabic and duosyllabic words that grammatically connect two words that convey different nuances and meanings. Tagalog enclitic particles are hard to directly translate to English. Sometimes their meanings can only be approximated to English. They can have multiple meanings depending on the context. They aren't conjugated in the past, present, or future. Their time reference is implied in the context. They add flavor to a context or a phrase or sentence. Sometimes vocal tones can change the context of an enclitic particle. In my previous videos, in episodes 187 and 188, I talked about the enclitic particle muna, which contextually can mean to be first before anyone else or anything else, or for the time being, in the meantime, or for now. It can also mean yet for negative commands or requests like the expression not yet. But how does the particle muna mean when it is mixed with other particles that we have learned so far? How do we mix muna with the particles like na, pa, ba, lang, naman, kaya, pala, and nga? Well, that's the topic of this video. But before we dive into our lesson, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Cool? In this video, I won't be able to present all conceivable mixing of the particles because that will be a hugely long video. But I will be able to talk about a few sample sentences that can get you started in using the enclitic particle muna mixed with other particles. Let's start with the very first particle we have learned in this series, the particle na. We have learned that the particle na can mean a number of things. Depending on the context, it can mean now, already, finally, etc. Let's try. Ako na. I'll go first. Let me do it. Now, adding the particle na with muna, depending on the vocal tone, expresses that an action has already been decided or being suggested by the speaker. If it is used in a strong, confident tone, then the speaker is expressing a decision. For example, ako na muna. It is decided that I go first before anyone else. If the same sentence is said in a softer tone, then it can convey expressing a suggestion. For example, ako na muna. Why don't I go first before anyone else? Let's try it again with the following sample sentences. Ikaw na. It's your turn, you do it. Ikaw na muna. It is decided that you go first before anyone else. Ikaw na muna. Why don't you go first before anyone else? Tayo na. Let's go now. Tayo na muna. It is decided that we go first before anyone else. Tayo na muna. Why don't we go first before anyone else? Ito na. This is it. This is my final choice. Ito na muna. I have decided that this one first before anything else. Ito na muna. Why not this one first before anything else? Ganito na. It's like this now. Ganito na muna. I have decided to do it like this first before trying something else. Ganito na muna. Why don't we do it like this first before trying something else? Ayos ba? Now, let's try mixing muna with the particle pa. Remember, the enclitic particle pa can mean still, yet, in addition, even more, etc. Let's try it. Ako pa. There's still me. Ako pa muna. There's still me who will be first before anyone else. Adding pa to muna conveys that there is still another action that needs to be done first before another action. Let's try some more. Ikaw pa. There's still you. Ikaw pa muna. There's still you who will be first before anyone else. Tayo pa. There's still us. Tayo pa muna. There's still us who will be first before anyone else. Ito pa. There's still this one. Ito pa muna. There's still this one that will be first before anything else. Iyan pa. There's still that one. Iyan pa muna. There's still that one that will be first before anything else. Now, let's try mixing muna with the enclitic particle ba, which is used to emphatically ask a question or to clarify. Let's try. Ako ba? Is it me? Are you referring to me? Ako ba muna? Is it me who will be first before anyone else? Ikaw ba? Is it you? Ikaw ba muna? Is it you who will be first before anyone else? Tayo ba? Is it us? Tayo ba muna? Is it us who will be first before anyone else? Ito ba? Is this it? Is it this one? Ito ba muna? Is it this one that will be first before anything else? Ganito ba? Is it like this? Ganito ba muna? Is it done like this first before trying something else? Ayos ba? Next up is mixing muna with the particle lang. You should remember that the enclitic particle lang can mean only, just, or alone. The combination of lang and muna can have different meanings when said in the strong or soft vocal tone. Here's a few examples. Ako lang. It's just me. Ako lang muna. Now, depending on the situation, this can mean it is just me for now. Or it can also mean it is me who will do something before someone else does. Got it? Now, let's try saying it in a softer tone. Ako lang muna. I suggest I be first for now. Or I suggest that I be the one to do it before anyone else. Got it? Are you getting the difference? Here's some more sample sentences. Ikaw lang. It's just you. Ikaw lang muna. It is just you for now. It is you who will do something before someone does. Ikaw lang muna. I suggest that you be the one to do it before anyone does. Tayo lang. It's just us. Tayo lang muna. It's just us for now. It is us who will do something before someone does. Tayo lang muna. I suggest we be first for now. I suggest that we be the one to do it before anyone does. Ito lang. It's just this one. Ito lang muna. It is just this one for now. It is this that I pick before picking something else. This is more definitive than saying it with a softer tone. For example, ito lang muna. I think I'll choose this one for now. Got it? Here's more. Ganito lang. It's just like this. Ganito lang muna. Do it like this for now. Ganito lang muna. I suggest we do it like this for now and not anything else. Now, moving on to our next combination, muna with the particle naman. Naman can mean again, really, of course, whatever, etc. Let's see how combining naman with muna means in a sentence. Here goes. Ako naman. It's my turn. I've waited long enough. Ako naman muna. It's my turn before anyone else. I've waited long enough. Adding muna emphatically asserts that the speaker is first or should be first before anyone else. Here's more. Ikaw naman. It's your turn. You've waited long enough. Ikaw naman muna. It's your turn before anyone else. You have waited long enough. Tayo naman. It's our turn. We have waited long enough. Tayo naman muna. It's our turn before anyone else. We've waited long enough. Ito naman. This one too. Ito naman muna. This one too before something else. Ganito naman. Do it like this time. Ganito naman muna. Do it like this time before trying something else. So far, so good. Now, let's try our next combination. Muna with the particle kaya. The enclitic particle kaya can be interpreted as perhaps, I wonder, what do you suppose, etc. Let's take a look at mixing muna with kaya. Ako kaya. Perhaps I should. Perhaps it should be me. Ako kaya muna. Perhaps it should be me before anyone else. Ikaw kaya. Perhaps you should. Perhaps it should be you. Ikaw kaya muna. Perhaps it should be you before anyone else. Tayo kaya. Perhaps we should. Or perhaps it should be us. Tayo kaya muna. Perhaps it should be us before anyone else. Ito kaya. Do you suppose this is it? Do you suppose this is the one? Ito kaya muna. Do you suppose we pick this one first before anything else? Ganito kaya. Do you suppose it's like this? Ganito kaya muna. Do you suppose we do it like this before trying something else? If you're enjoying this video so far, please do hit the like button because that will help this channel a lot. And I mean a lot. Ayos? Next up is the combination of the particle muna with the particle pala. You will remember that pala is used to express a sudden realization. Let's take a look at how the combination of muna and pala can mean in Tagalog. Here goes. Ako pala. It is me apparently. Or, it is me, I just realized. Ako pala muna. Apparently, it's me before anyone else. Ikaw pala. It is you apparently. It is you, I just realized. Ikaw pala muna. Apparently, it is you before anyone else. Tayo pala. It is us apparently. It is us, I just realized. Tayo pala muna. Apparently, it is us before anyone else. Ito pala. It is this one apparently. It is this one, I just realized. Ito pala muna. Apparently, it is this one before anything else. Ganito pala. It is like this apparently. It is like this, I just realized. Ganito pala muna. Apparently, it's done like this before trying something else. And our last combination is the particle muna with the particle nga. Now, depending on the tone, nga can mean indeed, surely, sure enough, or in fact, or it can communicate mild irritation or impatience. Let's take a look. Ako nga, I indeed, or it is indeed I. Adding nga in a normal tone would be this way. Ako nga muna. It is indeed I who will be first before anyone else. In an irritated tone, it would mean something else. Listen. Ako nga muna. Let me be first since no one else can. Got it? Here's more. Ikaw nga. You indeed. It is you indeed. Ikaw nga muna. It is indeed you who will be first before anyone else. Ikaw nga muna. You should be first since no one else can. Tayo nga. We indeed. Or it is indeed us. Tayo nga muna. It is indeed us who will be first before anyone else. Tayo nga muna. We should be first since no one else can. Ito nga. It is this one indeed. Ito nga muna. It is indeed this one first before anything else. Ito nga muna. This one should be first since nothing else can. Ganito nga. It's like this indeed. Ganito nga muna. Indeed, do it like this first before trying something else. Ganito nga muna. It should be done like this before trying something else. Ayos? That's about it for now. What I have discussed are just a fraction of the possibilities of combining the enclitic particle muna with other particles that we have learned so far. What is important to remember is that the translations will vary depending on the context of the conversation. The best approach is always to practice with your Filipino friends, partners, or family members. Like all other particles, muna can also be combined with two or more particles created expanded meanings. And I will talk about that in the next video. I hope you catch that. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.